Hello, this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today a 2022 Ford F-250 Super Duty XLT. This vehicle features a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel engine with four-wheel drive. As we get closer here to the front of this full-size crew pickup, you'll be able to see that it is a sleek Oxford white clear coat with chrome and black accents, as you'll be able to see there on the front grille as well as down around those tow hooks. We'll come along here to the side of this vehicle and take a look at its tires and wheels. This vehicle features chrome and silver 18-inch wheels, and as for the tire treads, you have got a significant amount of life left in them, but I'll get you those exact measurements here in just a second, as this vehicle, along with all the other vehicles here at All Things Automotive, has undergone a new multi-point inspection as well as received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter. So you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. Here on the outside of your mirror caps, you do have your turn signal indicators integrated into those. And on the insides on the mirrors, you will be able to see you do have a blind spot indicator that will light up if there's anybody in your blind spot, helping you to drive just a little bit safer. These mirrors are also heated, which will help to prevent them from fogging up as well as to help de-ice them in inclement weather. And all along the bottom of the cab, you do have black running boards to help you get in and out with ease. We'll now take a look here to the inside of this pickup. Here on the inside of this vehicle, you do have a lovely medium earth gray cloth upholstery on the seats for a smooth and comfortable ride. And like I had mentioned earlier, you do have those chrome and black accents making their way up the dashboard. While we're looking over here, I'll just open up the glove box and bring you the results of that multi-point inspection that I was talking about. And as you'll be able to see here on this inspection form, you do have green checks the entire way around, and as for your tire treads, you have 17/30 seconds in all of your tires, so a ton of life left on those. And as for your brake pads, you have 9/30 seconds in the front and 13/30 seconds in the rear. So you have a long ways to go before you need to replace any of those wearables. Right beside that multi-point inspection, you do have the CARFAX vehicle history report, and you might notice there was a minor damage report on it. A minor damage report is just cosmetic, things like dents or scratches to the vehicle body, and I will be going up close in detail over the entire vehicle later on in the video so you can see everything for yourself. I'd also like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get the original owner's manual with it as well, still in the packaging, so if you have any questions after you buy it, you'll be able to look them up in there. We'll now continue on to take a look here at the rear occupant seating. Alright, as you'll be able to see back here, you do have 3 seats, and up front you have 3 seats as well, as that middle seat does fold up, so this pickup can seat a total of 6 people. And for these rear occupants, you do have a power outlet back here, as well as fold-out cup holders and pockets on the backs of both of those front seats. And down on the floor, you do have carpeted floor mats to help keep your floors nice and clean. Over here on the door, all the doors do have several storage spaces in them, as well as powered windows. I'll just close that door, and we'll continue making our way around here to the rear of this pickup. Alright, back here you do have a pre-installed tow bar, as well as a 7 and 4-pin trailer connector for a trailer hitch hookup, and right behind all of that you do have a spare tire if you're ever in a pinch. You also have a backup camera to help you whenever you're parking or going in reverse. I will just open up the tailgate, and as you'll be able to see back here, this 3/4 ton pickup does have a bed that's a little over 6.5 feet, so you've got plenty of space to haul some really nice loads. You'll also have a spray-in bed liner to help protect the bed against any nicks or scratches the loads you put in there might give it. I'll just close that tailgate, and we'll continue around here to the driver's side. I would like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get 2 keys for your convenience and to help prevent you from ever getting locked out. This pickup does come with powered mirrors, powered windows, and powered door locks, and as for the driver's seat, you do have 6-way manual seating adjustments, so you can move the seat forwards, backwards, tilting the seat forward and back, and then 2-directional lumbar support. You also have a telescopic steering wheel with this pickup, meaning you can move it in and out as well as up and down to fit you as you like. And to the left of that steering wheel, you do have your dashboard backlight controls, your headlight controls, and your bed light controls. I'll now just get inside this pickup and turn it on for you. This pickup does use its key to start as opposed to a push to start. And now that the engine is running and the dashboard's lit up, you'll be able to see that this vehicle has about 40,833 miles on it. We'll take our attention over here to the left side of the steering wheel, as over here are your dashboard navigation buttons, so with these you can cycle through all the different information and services this vehicle provides to you. Beneath those dashboard navigation buttons, you do have your cruise controls, and then on the right side of the steering wheel are your volume controls, as well as your Bluetooth and call controls, as this vehicle does have smartphone integration. We'll now take a look here to the center of this vehicle. Here in the center of the vehicle, you do have a lovely touchscreen LCD display, and I'll just throw it in reverse to show you that backup camera in action. It also is a wide angle lens, letting you see right up close to that bumper. Beneath that display, you do have controls for it. To the right, you do have a power outlet. To the left is your four-wheel drive shift, and this pickup does come with an integrated trailer braking controller. Beneath that are your climate controls. Further down still, you do have a USB and USB-C charging port and a power outlet. 2 cup holders, your main storage compartment, and like I had mentioned earlier, this seat does fold up to become that additional 6th seat. We'll now move on to the last section of this video. Here in the last section of this video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so we'll be looking around for any blemishes, nicks, or stains. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, and we want the purchasing process to be transparent and straightforward. We want you to know what you're getting with the purchase of this vehicle, imperfections and all. We do have some faint discoloration there on the front passenger seat, as well as some slight scuffing on that front display. But other than that, there is nothing that is standing out to me. There are no odors or scents whatsoever. So we'll take a look here now at the outside of this vehicle. The front driver door does creak a bit. Again, we'll be looking up and down for any of those imperfections, starting by coming along here to the front. And here along the front of the pickup, you do have a few nicks, most likely from stone chips. Stone chipping is extremely common. Almost every vehicle has some form of it. The only way you can really prevent it is just by not driving your vehicle. This pickup is also a lighter color, so it does tend to show a little more than a darker color might. We'll come along here now to the passenger side. A few nicks a bit lower here. A few more back here on the passenger side of the bed. And we'll continue around here to the rear. Now often where I do tend to see several imperfections is on the top of the tailgate, as people don't take care of putting items in and taking items out. And as I take a look here, you do have a few small nicks, but for the most part, this black plastic is very much intact. And you do have several nicks and scratches there in the bed as well. I will just close the tailgate back up. Just a slight nick there. And we'll continue back around here to the driver's side. A few small ones back here on the driver's side of the bed. One underneath that handle. And we are back to where we started. That generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a white, full-size crew pickup with the ability to seat 6, a good amount of space in that bed with a spray-in bedliner, backup camera, pre-installed tow bar, a spare tire, black running boards, heated mirrors, a blind spot monitor, smartphone integration, cloth upholstery, lumbar support, 2 keys, carpeted floor mats, tow hooks, a 6.7-liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine, and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this crew pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.